Perched majestically atop a dramatic hill overlooking the Orava River in Slovakia, Orava Castle stands as a formidable and enchanting historical monument that beckons travelers to immerse themselves in its rich history and captivating atmosphere. This medieval fortress, surrounded by lush forests and picturesque landscapes, offers a glimpse into Slovakia's past while providing stunning panoramic views of the surrounding region. Orava Castle's origins trace back to the 13th century, making it one of the country's most significant and oldest castles. Its Gothic architecture, imposing towers, and rugged stone walls evoke a sense of wonder as visitors approach. Once inside, the castle's interior transports visitors through various historical periods, with exhibitions and artifacts that showcase the castle's evolution and the lives of those who inhabited it. The castle's layout includes several courtyards, chambers, and halls that reveal different facets of its history. The Knight's Hall, with its impressive wooden ceiling and period furnishings, immerses visitors in the medieval atmosphere. The castle chapel, adorned with unique frescoes, provides a spiritual and artistic experience. The castle's location and panoramic views are a highlight of any visit. The sweeping vistas of the Orava River Valley and the surrounding mountains create a breathtaking backdrop that adds to the castle's allure. The nearby Orava Reservoir, with its crystal-clear waters, offers opportunities for water-based activities and relaxation. Orava Castle's setting has also made it a popular location for films, further enhancing its mystique. The castle's appearances in movies have cemented its status as a cultural icon beyond Slovakia's borders. The castle's allure extends beyond its historical significance. Throughout the year, various events and festivals are hosted within its walls, celebrating medieval traditions, arts, and music. These events transport visitors back in time, providing a unique and immersive experience that engages all the senses. Surrounding the castle, the village of Oravský Podzámek offers traditional Slovak charm and hospitality. Local cafes and restaurants allow visitors to savor traditional Slovak cuisine and regional specialties, providing a culinary experience that complements the castle visit. Whether you're exploring the castle's interiors, marveling at its Gothic architecture, soaking in the panoramic views, participating in medieval-themed events, savoring local flavors, or simply enjoying the tranquil beauty of its surroundings, a visit to Orava Castle promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Slovakia's history, architecture, and natural landscapes, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its historic embrace.